As you can see, we have a lot of birds over there just eating. They didn't move south, or they didn't migrate. In winter, you'd think birds wouldn't want to be in Minnesota, but that's not the case. We have a lot of snow on the ground, as you can see around here. But those birds are there at the neighbor's house, hanging out and eating. You can see I have a very good zoom right there. I'm using Galaxy S22 Ultra. It has a very good zoom. Just wanted to show you outside, see the birds eating, and show you the zoom for Galaxy S22. Let's zoom again. I'm gonna zoom 3 times. That's 7 times. You can see the squirrels. That's 20 times zoom. You can see squirrels fighting or competing for food over there. That's 20 times zoom. Very nice view. Squirrels fighting or whatever. They want to eat. Everyone is fighting for food. Alright, take it easy. Have a good day. And we'll see you on the next video. Give a like, subscribe. Peace out.